si Congressman Deputy Speaker Duterte became close to the NUP in the later stages of the speakership contest. We are very grateful to him because I think he brought stability to the entire situation until Congressman Duterte spoke with us as a party and discussed the issues of the speakership. Medyo malabo pa talaga, as you will recall. But after some discussion with him, naliwanagan lahat because he has very clear thoughts on Congress. Nagulat din kami because we thought they were very partisan. Actually hindi. Congressman Duterte was looking at the good of the entire Congress and the agenda of the President. That was his major concern.